kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. For all the little bakers out there, today we are going to read Cookie Truck, a sugar cookie shapes book by Caroline Wright, illustrated by Alison Oliver. Gather supplies. We are raring to go on a cookie truck ride with the help of some dough. All the ingredients combined in a bowl, turned out on the counter, dough's ready to roll. Squashed and spread into a layer that's thin, a soft and sweet canvas for cutting to begin. First choice, a circle. And wheels suddenly appear. The body, a rectangle. And the truck shifts into gear. Square window pressed through, easy as can be. So a breeze can flow in and the driver can see. A triangle used as a sign along the road, slowing our ride and protecting its load. Along the cookie sheet it travels so far, the street brightly lit with the help of a star. Press one heart for the baker and gift so sweet for the safe ride to the bakery at the end of our street. We have recipe for sugar cookies. Nice. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, kids.